Okay, so this is just a upcoming content announcement. I have the new Skin XTC 4-in-1 third generation Mini HIFU, home HIFU device. It's a combination. It does the RF and other things. And it has a new feature, I believe, that no one's done before, which sounds interesting. So I'll be doing an unboxing video on that, and then I'll be doing not so much tutorials, because you'll see a link in the description. TJ at TJ Tutorials does all that kind of stuff. I just more cover my own progress with it, and then a little bit of my thoughts on it and such. It's going quite well. Point in fact, I have a big wedding coming up in a couple of months, 3 more months. And I was debating whether to go to a clinic and get some stuff taken care of or not. I'm like, you know, I've got this device. I have the original skin tightening device from Korea, the big triangular shaped thing that TJ recommended months ago. Well, I found it months ago. He recommended it years ago, I think. And I use that still. And I got high hopes for the new machine from Skin XTC. Sounds quite good. So I'm just going to do it myself. I'm going to just tighten up on my diet a little bit. I mean, who doesn't do that before a big wedding? It's my daughter's wedding. And then I want to look my best, you know. And so far, though, I mean, I had an enormous amount of loose skin all over my face and neck because I lost 50 pounds rather suddenly, and mostly for good reasons. But anyways, the crazy part is I had these big rolls of fat on both sides of my face. You can still just see the left side a bit. There's a kind of a residual pad there. On the right, it's virtually all gone. And now, if you look here, this is starting to blend into the rest of my face. There isn't like a big fold there so much. If someone would have told me you could do that with a machine at home, I would have said there's absolutely no way. No way. And I had like a mole here, and that just disappeared after 25 years or whatever. Like, what the heck? So, and I had all kinds of big, like, smoker's lines. I never smoked, but all kinds of smoker's lines around my face. It's just genetic. My grandpa had them real bad too. And I got like one residual one, which is the deepest one here, but it's 10% of what it was. It was a deep crease in my skin. It's shocking what you can do nowadays. It's truly shocking. So anyways, this is 9 months for me so far. What I took from watching TJ stuff is that it takes about 2 years to get like the full transformation of what you probably want. I'm not even a full year in yet, and I'm pretty happy. If I didn't have I had a giant, like a triple chin. So if I didn't have that, all this skin would have been all tight by now. But I should show a picture of me from 2 years ago. You wouldn't believe it. You just wouldn't believe it. I look inflated. I mean, nobody can recognize me from now to before. Nobody can recognize me. So, and it's still not bad. So, anyway, so that's it. New content coming, month 9, happy, and I'm in Thailand. I semi-retired, I've retired, but part-time, and most of the time in Thailand, then back home with my boy a little bit. So the parcel post here in Thailand is not known for its super speed. So, but as soon as it shows up, I'll do an unboxing, and then I'll get right into using the new features, and you'll see some results. My name is Rob, and thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. I meant every word I just said with respect.